So, good day, guys. So, physics for engineers, topic is oscillations and waves. Let's just continue. I think we're already on number 15. Weighing astronauts. This procedure has actually been used to weigh astronauts in space. A 42.5 kilogram chair is attached to a spring and allowed to oscillate. So, may lingkuran, tapos ipapa-oscillate. So, ibig sabihin yung lingkuran, may din yung spring. Okay, when it is empty, wala tao ang chair, it takes 130 seconds. So, that is to make one complete vibration. That is T. Hindi ako nga T. Ano yung mga ito? T. Cycle niya. Time cycle or period. Yes, we call it period. But when an astronaut sitting on it with her feet off the floor, the chair takes 2.54 seconds for one cycle. So, pag may bugat na nadudugan, what is the mass of the astronaut? So, time la nganhin, kita niya, may ginhatag lang is time la nganhin, duha lang ka time. Tapos, may da mass. So, we're just looking at the inibagan ko lang niya da. Hamsor sa ilay ni. Nothing to ponder upon. Tatan equation. Time, period T. Ulit may period T. So ini. So the first case, may nakita period kasi. And then may ginhatag ng mass and empty. So meaning mass and chair. So makakakuha kita hin K. Diba kay unknown man K. And then, utron ta paggamit. So, gagamitan tayo kaduha. Tapos, may na mas hantawo nga nun. Iba na didanti. That's a simple one. So, we use the formula. There was 2T that is given. Mass of the chair, 42.5. Masa ni chair, kumbaga may lingkuran itong handa. Tapos lingkuran. Tapos masan chair is 42.5. Ako ko siguro tag. Tapos an immunity to oscillate is how much? 1.30 seconds. So on chair, may tao dili. Pasensya ang black drawing. So T ito dida T is Mason Roxy. That is 2.54 seconds. Tapos pagkaan na mas hanimo astronaut MA. So we will be just using this equation. T is equal to 2 pi the square root of m over k. Pwede ka lang solveron. Diba? Pwede tayo solver. You have sige. You have 1.30 seconds and then you have 2 pi and then the square root of mass 42.5 kilogram all over K. So, solveron ta. Ayan na kayo. Pag ginubiya, sir. So, you have the square root of 42.5 all over K is equal to 1.30 seconds all over 2 pi. Tapos, squared the squared. So, you have 42.5 all over 3. This is kilogram is equal to 1.30 seconds all over 2 pi square. Tapos baliktaran ta, K would be equal to 2 pi all over 1.30 seconds squared times 42.5 kilogram. Unit is kilogram per second squared. I think iniya nga 2 pi na convert inihan imo region. But anyway, bagang tama man yung tanong unit, so pabayin na siya. Diba? I do believe amuan kay naka seconds, naka kilogram man, pagtalatya direlabtan. Pamaraon tatira mga unit. Kadercho man latya. Diba? Pwede lang ito. Baga pinaspasay, basta tama kasi iyo mga unit di ka nga nira derivation. Pwede lang ito. So you have 2 pi all over 1.30 tapos times 42.5. So nimo K is 992.8. Baliktad ay baliktad din. Tapos tigpo mga times lagi. Tama. You have 992.800. 992.800 kilogram. Ay, sorry. Tanggalong pala unit. Kaya nag-get unit. Total tama man ta akong pinambutang. Okay, next is babalik ko pag substitute. T now is 2.54 seconds equal to 2 pi pero duha na imong mas, diba nakalingkod na hiya, so that would be 42.5 plus mashan astronaut all over 992.800. So maghihapon square root han 42.5 plus NA all over 992.800 equal to 2.54 all over 2 pi. Sige, squared na tiya, nada kita 42.5 plus NA all over 992.8 100 equals to 2.54 all over 2 pi tapos squared, diba? Tapos next 42.5 plus MA is equal to 2.54 all over 2 pi squared times 992.8. So MA is equal to 54 all over 2 pi squared times 992.8 tapos minus 42.5. Okay, perfect. So 2.54 all over 2 pi tapos squared times 992.8 tapos plus minus 42.5 minus yun, and the answer is 119 120. Ba, kabugat. 120. 120 kilogram. Ba, kabugat man ini. Bagay na pinapiyasot. Tao, matakong ginhimo. Diyan ha. Bagay may da akong mali. 2 pi all over 1.30 squared times 42.5. So, 992.800. Tama man. Tama. Double check. 992.8 times 2.54. 2.54 all over 2 pi. Squared. Minus 42.5. 120. So, 120 kilogram. Okay. Thank you guys for listening. So, katala.